Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Here scroll a little bit down and tap to the default notification sound, and now just switch your currently notification sound to one from these sounds what you like. For example, this one or this one. So here we can see that we have a lot of different sounds here. After that, just tap here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully changed the notification sound on our BLACKVIEW device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.